Recently, there was a bomb explosion at a makeshift prayer place for Shia students near Karachi University cafeteria, in which 2 students were critically wounded. These protesters want the city officials and university administration to adopt tight security measures to avert similar incidents in the future. According to police sources, 1 kilogram of explosive material was used in the blast. These demonstrators believe that the bomb blast was because of the security lap here in the university campus, and they are demanding a separate prayer place for Shia community here in the campus, as the other communities got their allotment for churches and temples here in the university. A large number of students had been present in the university at the time of blast, as it had reopened after a recent closure due to campus clashes.
We protest, and especially to the VC of the university. He has been ordered to allot this place. Why is he not doing what he's being told to do and what he's being ordered by the governor? It is going to allot, and still the allotment is not taking place. Sometimes he says that the matter is in the syndicate, sometimes he says something else.
हमें किसी मस्जिद की arrangement नहीं हुई है.
We are praying here because we don't have a prayer place. Even a Hindu community has a prayer place in the campus. There are many mosques belonging to different sects. Why can't we have a mosque of our own? We have submitted several applications to the Vice-Chancellor, but all in vain.
According to one of the university officials, this is the first incident of its kind in the university history, as no religious gathering like this has been attacked before. And this blast shows that open religious gatherings at educational centers may come under attack by terrorist groups.
We want to be the part of that investigation here in the university campus. Secondly, what we have demanded in the university administration is that to give a piece of land for the Shia mosque in the university. So we want not from an organization or not from any particular side, but we want that demand to be accomplished by our Shia community.
I was praying in the first row when the bomb exploded, and suddenly a student on my right went down. It was horrible. He was hit in the leg and critically injured. We need a safe place, a mosque on the campus.
But some say this incident is linked to the recent clashes between 2 student groups on sectarian grounds, and that segregating students cannot help much with the security. Students are also very critical of the Karachi University administration failure to control the worsening law and order situation inside the campus. Muhammad Turi, Press TV, Karachi.